Hey guys, welcome to Unboxing Minute, and today we would be unboxing Grizzly Toolkit. And I got this from Amazon, and now let's unbox this thing. It's a hard package. And now we have got a box inside the plastic package. I think it's for extra safety. And I got this from Amazon as I have told you, and it was for rupees 13.99, and I got it in 1 day delivery. And now inside this cardboard box we get a plastic box with a bubble wrap. And now let's reveal the bit we are all waiting for. Nice packaging, I must say, to the company. And as you can see, we have got a ratchet, the most important thing, and a screwdriver. And this must be the extending bit for hard to reach areas. And we have also got other bits. Let me just show you this 12 number bit. The quality feels quite good, and it's heavy and smooth, well polished. And these are the screwdrivers. This is a 6 number screwdriver, good for everyday use or household purposes. And now let's test the ratchet. I would be taking a 12 number bolt, and it just goes within a click. Metal is quite good, it's quite heavy, and I think this is how we use it. And as you can see, there is a button at the back through which we can remove the bit. As compared to Bosch, this is much cheaper. It costs around rupees 13.99, whereas Bosch from Amazon would cost you around 17.99, and it has less bits and it's smaller in size. And smaller ratchet means it's hard to use and would not open the bolts that you want to open. Much cheaper options are also available, but they are not worth the money because they are of poor quality and you won't be able to use it at all. I hope you like this unboxing video, and please stay tuned for more such videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.